Hello bio partners! Today let us know about nutrition in plants and how plants prepare their food. So no more further ado, let's get into the video. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell.
Welcome to Bioeducation.
What is photosynthesis? Green parts of plant use carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight along with water to make glucose, starch and other food materials. This process of making food is called photosynthesis, and such plants are called autotrophs. Autotrophs means living things which prepare their own food by using carbon dioxide, sunlight, water are called autotrophs. In nature, the presence of green substance in leaves is essential for photosynthesis to take place. This green substance is called chlorophyll. In this picture, you can observe clearly how the process of photosynthesis takes place. Photosynthesis chemical equation. Carbon dioxide and water combines in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to give glucose, oxygen and water. Exchange of air. Plants get water from soil through their roots. They use carbon dioxide of air. This job is done by leaves. The leaves has tiny holes through which the exchanges of air takes place. The holes are so minute that you can only observe with the help of microscope. These are called stomata. In stomata, the exchanges of air in leaves takes place continuously. Leaves contain starch. To form starch, carbon dioxide and water requires light. Now let us do an experiment. Take 4 to 5 of green leaves and boil in hot water or alcohol. After boiling, remove the leaf and add iodine solution. Then you observe that the leaves turn black in color. In the second part of the experiment, 4 to 5 leaves of the same plant were covered with black paper without removing them from the plant. After 2 days, these leaves were plucked. Then their green color was removed and they were dipped in iodine solution. The leaves turned black in color. Plant produce sugar first, which is converted to starch and then other compound as well. But plants need other nutrient elements to do this. The main nutrients needed are nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus in large quantity. Plants require many other nutrient elements as well, but these are needed only in minute quantities. Hence, these are called micronutrients. Plants absorb these nutrient elements from the soil through their roots. Plants that grow on other plants. Have you ever seen thread-like structure twisting around the stem branches in some plants? This thread-like structure is called cascata. It neither have leaves nor chlorophyll. Cascata take food from the plants on which it is climbing. This mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Parasitic plants like cascata develop special roots called hesperia, which penetrates into the tissue of the host plant and absorb food materials from them. Plants that grow on dead and decaying matter. Often after rains, we find umbrella-like structure growing on dead and decaying matters. Such plants are called saprophytes. Special mode of obtaining nutrition in insectivorous plants. A few plants like Nepenthes manufacture their own food, but they also obtain part of nutrition from insects. Leaves of these plants are specially modified to trap insects. Hence, they meet their nitrogenous requirements from insects. Example of insectivorous plants. Eutheclaria, Venus flytrap. These are also called as carnivorous plants. Some plants like those of dal family have a type of bacteria growing on their roots in nodules. These bacteria fixes nitrogen for the plants while it gets shelter in the roots of plants. Such an association is beneficial to both the groups called symbiosis. So this is how nutrition takes place in plant life. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a